Welcome back to Learn and Earn YouTube channel. Well, in this video I will show you the payment proof from StorjNode, and this video is the second part. If you want the detailed information about this platform, I already uploaded the detailed video on my YouTube channel and there is the link below in the description. Make sure to check that out. Before getting into the video, make sure to subscribe this channel and click the bell icon for more videos because I am introducing the new and the best way to earn money online. Now let's get into the video. This is the dashboard and I am a local host. Right here it used 400 GB of bandwidth this month and I am running it about 19 hours. Also I am contributing about 1.7 terabyte of storage space, and right here you can see that it is totally full, and down here it is a complete audit of my StorjNode account, and right here you can see that I earn about $10 and my current month earning is $4.25. This is not much, but I want to show you that people are getting paid by this platform. Now let's check the payment in my wallet. I am doing it since 200 days, and right here you can see my StorjNode payments. So you can also earn much more by sharing more terabytes of storage space. And here is my ingress and egress bandwidth. And if you want to know that how does it works, then let's watch this video.
Imagine if the cloud wasn't up here, but down here, with us. That's storage. Storage is a cloud shared by the community. It's potentially the largest, cheapest, and most secure cloud available. What you share is what you get. You could even be paid by renting your extra space. But how is it more secure? Each file is shredded, encrypted, and spread across the network until you're ready to use it again. And you can be sure the files are safe because the keys are in your pocket, not a company's. Only you have access to your stuff. Because the network is shared, you don't have to worry about slow download speeds coming from one place. We're all helping to make the system blazing fast. And if you have some extra space lying around, you'll get paid by users who need more than they can share. It's like renting out your empty hard drives. A cloud with security, no downtime, and speed at a fraction of the cost.
Thanks for watching this video, and also subscribe to the channel if you are new here. See you in the next video.